everyone, Gearbest.com have sent me this Huion new 1060 Plus tablet to review, so I'll be trying it and giving you my honest opinion about it in this video. And in case you're wondering, no, I'm not getting paid to do this review, so I'll go ahead and start by unboxing. This is a thank you message from the company. It has their contact information. This is the tablet. It has the standard size of a medium-sized tablet. The surface looks pretty smooth, and I actually like that. Over here is the warranty card for the tablet. And this is the manual. It comes in multiple languages. And we have the final components here. This is the pen stand that comes with extra pen nibs. And this is the tablet pen. It comes with a cover, which I think is cool. It can be placed on the stand like this. And finally, we have these two cables. This one is for charging the pen and can be connected from this side. And the other one is for connecting the tablet to the computer. Now that I'm done unboxing, I'll proceed to give the tablet a try. I'll first install the tablet driver from the official website. It's a very simple process. I just scroll down and head it to my tablet's model number. I'll go for the latest version, which is currently 13.15.35. Keep in mind that I uninstalled my current Wacom tablet driver before going to this step, so that the two drivers don't clash and cause a problem. Now that it's done downloading, I'll install the driver. Let's try the tablet now. This folder popped up the moment I plugged the tablet in. It seems like the driver is already available for us to install, but I installed it quickly through the website too anyway, so both ways are fine. I plugged the pen in as well, because I'm not sure whether it's charged or not. I'm trying to use the tablet now, but it's not working, so I'll have to restart my computer for it to work, I guess. So I restarted the PC and the tablet is working perfectly fine. We can check and adjust the tablet properties over here. Through the first tab, we can adjust the functions of the 12 express keys and the 16 function keys. From the second tab, we can adjust the pen buttons functions as well as the pen pressure settings. The pressure can be tested here. This tablet comes with 8,192 levels of pressure, so it's pretty sensitive. The third tab has the work area settings. I'll keep all the settings at default for now and head to site to try the tablet. I have an artwork in progress already, so I'll continue working on it while trying it. So here's my sketch that I will be aligning for now. I feel that the pressure sensitivity is not quite right, so I'll keep playing around with it until I'm satisfied. I extremely like this tablet's smooth surface. It feels just like my Wacom Intuos tablet in terms of surface texture and ease of drawing. I'm stressing on the surface texture because some tablets come with one, and they make a sound similar to scratching while drawing, which makes me feel guilty as it feels like the pen nib is getting eroded due to friction. But that's just me, and it's a personal preference. Some people prefer the textured surface over the smooth one because it feels similar to the texture of papers. I actually really enjoyed lining the artwork with this tablet. I felt my hands moving freely and lightly. However, sometimes I felt that the pressure sensitivity was not like what I'm used to. I think it's because my tools are set up to work with my Wacom tablet, which has 1/4 of the pressure sensitivity of this one. So I probably need to keep playing around with the settings of my tools until I find the perfect ones. One more thing to note is that this tablet is not wireless. Although that's not a big deal, but once you get used to a wireless tablet, you'll find it a little limiting to be stuck to a cable. Also, the pen has a rechargeable battery and needs to be recharged every once in a while. However, the good thing is that the charging cable is long enough to allow you to use the pen whilst charging. The tablet also supports both right-handed and left-handed users. Overall, I really love this tablet. The driver is easy to install and makes the tablet work properly. The surface is smooth with high pressure sensitivity, and it comes with a pretty affordable price. As for me, if it was a wireless tablet, I would totally switch to it and make it my main drawing pad. And that concludes my review. I hope you found it useful. If you're interested in purchasing one, please check the links in the description box. Also, feel free to ask in the comments in case you have a question that I have not answered in this video, and I'll do my best to reply. Thank you for watching.